Daniel? What does a cow say? And what does a kitty say? Good job. And what does a puppy say? Good. And what does a horse say? Good job, Daniel. What does a snake say? Good job. And what does a sheep say?
He was one of my professors.
Daniel, what does a sheep say?
Sarah,
And what go get back in your seat, Sarah. Daniel. She doesn't have to if she's going to be in the morning. Daniel, what does a pig say? And what does a tractor say? Good job. And what does... Hannah, can you be quiet for a few minutes, please? Daniel, what does a horse say? Good job. And what does a lion say? Good job. And, oh, what does a fish say? Good boy. And how are you today? Good. Hey, I love you. Hi. Can you say bye-bye? Bye. I love you. Say I love.